What is up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day today. I've been making so many smoothies, so I thought it'd be really fun for me to make a smoothie video for you all today. I'm really excited to share with you because these smoothies only cost $3 to make, and they are just as good, if not better, than the ones you buy. And those cost like $8, $10, $12. So $3 smoothies right now. So today I'll be making one called the everyday smoothie because these are the ones that I make pretty much every day. They're my favorite kind of smoothies to make, and it's super easy, only 6 ingredients. It's packed with protein, nutrition, and it's super refreshing. Yeah, so let's get started. And by the way, I don't have specific measurements for my smoothie ingredients because I usually just eyeball it. I'll show you when I put it in how much I put in though. At the end of this video, I'll show you a more detailed breakdown of all the prices of the ingredients and show how it averages to $3 for one smoothie. For the bananas, I usually buy a whole bunch of bananas, usually enough to last me 2 weeks. I wait for them to ripen up, cut them all, freeze them so they don't stick together, put it all in a Ziploc bag, and that way I have 2 weeks worth of bananas. For the yogurt, I usually use plain whole milk Greek yogurt. That way there's no added sugars, natural fats, and no additives. For the type of milk I use almond milk, unsweetened. That way there's no added sugars and it tastes great. It's good, we're good to go. I usually get a bag of cashews that are the roasted, unsalted kind. Personally, I don't like it salted, but that's just my preference. But also there is a health benefit to that, and that there's less sodium that you're taking in. Plus, if you're putting in a smoothie, it might change the flavor, maybe not, but yeah, that's just another consideration. And because the cashews are roasted, it gives the smoothie a nice flavor. For the flaxseed meal, I usually get the kind where it's already ground, so all I do is put it in and I'm good to go. Last, we have frozen blueberries and frozen mangoes. Also, when I make my smoothies, I usually make enough for 2 portions, so that way I make my smoothies every other day and it's easier that way. Okay, so now we're gonna get started. I have the Vitamix blender, which holds 64 ounces or 8 cups total. So now you can see how much of each ingredient I put in my blender. Once you're done putting everything in the blender, blend it really well, and it's good to go. Okay, and this is about how much it makes, which is enough for 2 days worth of smoothies. Okay, so what I usually do is I pour one into the one I'm gonna take to work, which is this bottle here. Okay, poured it into here. Okay, this is good to go. What I do is I stick this in the freezer and then I let it defrost the next day, so by the time it's lunchtime, I can just scoop it out and it's ready to eat. And what I usually do is just pour this one into a cup for myself, and then I just have it now. So I poured the other half of the smoothie into this jar here, which is definitely enough for one sitting. But yeah, I usually just have half of it now and I freeze the other half for work. So now for the price breakdown, I will let you all know that I get my ingredients from Trader Joe's. The only thing I did not get from there is the flaxseed. I got that from the local drugstore, which they had, and it's reasonably priced. So to break it down, how I calculated this was I bought enough ingredients for 1 week's worth of smoothies, minus the cashews, the almond milk, and the flaxseed. Those 3 ingredients, they all can last you 2 to 3 weeks, but for this video's purpose, I'll say it lasts 2 weeks. So to do the math, each banana at Trader Joe's costs 19 cents each. Multiply that by 7 is $1.33. Next, we have a tub of yogurt that costs $2.49. That'll last you 1 week. Next, we have 2 bags of frozen mangoes. It costs $2.99 for each bag, so $6. And then 2 bags of frozen blueberries, each of them costing $1.99 for a total of $4. For the cashews, 1 bag costs $7.99. I divide that by 2, that's $4. The flax meal costs $4.42. Divide that by 2, which is 2.2. The almond milk costs $2.69. Divide that by 2 and you have $1.30. I totaled everything up, which cost me $21.30. I divide that by 7 and I get $3.04. So pretty much $3. Yeah, that's the price breakdown. So it really, all this can last you a week, maybe more. I think depending on how you use your ingredients, cost a little bit less or more than $3, but in general, $3. Okay, that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of these $3 smoothie videos, let me know in the comments below. or give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, just let me know what you think and let me know how your smoothie turns out. I really want to know. Or if you have any suggestions or tips, you know, that you've found for yourself, yeah, please share with us all. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.